Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. It'd be nice to have a look at this Ferroli. It's going into ignition lockout. So these guys got no heating and no hot water. Now I've checked the gas that's coming in, that's fine. So I'm just gonna reset it and let's see what happens. Now guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, if you got a broken down boiler, South Birmingham, Solihull, Dulwich or Knoll or the surrounding area, give us a call, we repair all your favourite boilers. Most repairs are done on the same day at very competitive prices. Now back to this one, we've got the tap open and we're just going to check it out why the boiler is going into a lockout. Now the boiler is going through the ignition process. Now the boiler is sparking, I can see it through the inspection hole but you can't see it in the film. So I'm going to open it all up and see what's going on with it. Now having a closer look at the spark electrode, I can see a little crack on it. So it's sparking but onto the casing, not onto the burner. So it can't ignite the gas. Now while I was opening up the combustion chamber, unfortunately the insulation foam inside it was so brittle and it fell apart. So I'm not just going to change the electrode, I got to change this foam, I got to order this foam and the case comes with it. So that's a bigger job now. Right guys, can you see that black line in the middle? There's a small crack in there. So it's because of that it wasn't sparking in the correct place and it wasn't igniting the burner. Right, I'm ready to test it out, so I'm just going to open the tap and see if it ignites. Right guys, the burner's fired up, I tested that out, I put a new case on with a new insulation in it and we're going to do our safety checks and that's it, I'll be out of here then. Right guys, so to roll out, so we can find this ignition electrode needed changing in the foam, the insulation foam was faulty, was broken, damaged, so we had to change that as well. So it's all we can find now. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.